So good morning, you guys. We are at work this Sunday morning. Hopefully you guys are enjoying your Sunday morning. I am here because I have a shipper. I am shaking you guys so bad, but you guys, I'm gonna do a DIY when I get back home, and I'm gonna take you out to the store to get the stuff that I need for the DIY. So I want to start the video here. If you would like to see this awesome DIY that I have in my little noggin, keep on watching. Okay, you guys, with this DIY, we have most of everything already currently at the house. Let me turn this AC down so y'all can hear what I'm saying. Hold on. There we go. So with this DIY, I already currently have most of everything at the house, but the few things I do need, I'm gonna run in Dollar Tree and get. So I wanted a long picture frame, but they is currently closed. They don't open for like another 30-40 minutes. I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm just gonna use picture frames out of here, and y'all gonna see the DIY. It's renter friendly, so I'm excited about it. So you guys, these are the only big picture frames they have. Okay, you guys, I got y'all propped up kind of crazy, but I'm trying to get some sanitizer. So we got everything that we actually need. Hopefully the black and gold will work versus the I don't even know how I turned these on. Now I gotta turn it off. I think that's it. The mist is on. It's rear windshield wipers. But I got the poster board, I got the picture frames, and everything else I have at home. So hopefully I can use the smaller picture frames versus the bigger ones, because I actually like the smaller ones better. Okay, guys, we are back home. We have the what is this thing called? Foam boards. I have a total of 6 right here, but I doubt if I use all 6. I have two black and 4 whites. And with these, I have these picture frames. I don't know which ones I'm going to use. I might use the big ones, and then I will have to actually paint them. But I might use the big ones because there's only 2 they had. Or I can wait and go to the other Dollar Tree and see what 2 they have. Hopefully they may have some gold ones. We'll see. Because I do have to run back out to the grocery store. So we would try the other Dollar Tree. But I have these 2 gold and black ones as well. So what we're going to do now is we're going to remove this off the wall. Move all this stuff. Now remember, y'all, this is renters friendly. And it's an easy DIY. We gotta see how this foam board actually fits over here. So we can either do it this way, or I know y'all can't see that. I think it's gonna go actually this way. That would be easier. So I would need a total of, let's see, 4 would actually probably do. Let's see. I know y'all can't see that, but that's 2. And we don't have to go all the way down, just far as my back. Well, we actually can go all the way down. We're gonna go all the way down. So yeah, 4 will actually do. Let's see. Get this third one up here, and the 4th one will go down. Okay, so yeah, this is what we're gonna do. All right, so these are actually going to work. They still have like a little gap on the side. I'm gonna show y'all the little gap that it have on the side. You can see the little gap right there, and then it's a little gap right there. And I might just cut a piece of foam board and put it there. You see the little gap right here, right there. Can y'all see that? You see the little gap right here where my hand's at? So we might actually cut a piece of foam board, or we actually just might not even worry about it. Just put it directly in the middle and not even honestly worry about it. We shall see what I come up with. But what we're gonna do with these picture frames is, since it's going a long way, we actually might need the bigger ones. But it's gonna go on here just like that, right? And I might actually need the bigger one, because it looks like the bigger one will actually work better. Yeah, put it side by side like that. Two of them. We're gonna see, y'all. We're gonna see. So let's get to DIYing these things, because I know you like, are you about to put those on the wall? Yep, I'm gonna put them on the wall, and we're going to paint them before we put them on the wall. The great thing about them is I want to paint them black and white. So we already have them white, and then we already have them in black, but I wasn't too sure which paint I had more of, the black or the white. So that's why I got both black and white, and we're gonna actually just paint them literally like this. That's it. We actually probably can use one of these and put them up versus DIY. Okay, so this one is a runner, and then this one is the actual fabric itself. So we actually, no, because it's too long, and then it have to go vertical if I do it this way. See, this is the way I want it to go, and it's actually too long, and I'll have to cut it, and we don't want to cut it. So, but this is what we're trying to accomplish on this wall. You see this black and white? That's what we're going for on this wall, y'all. I actually could have used this, but you see how long it is? And I would have to turn it this way for it to actually work, and I don't want it this way, you see? Unless I actually cut the fabric, and I don't want to cut it. I think I do have another piece of it, but I'm trying to make this very cost efficient, so we're going to use the foam board. Hey guys, so we're about to use the fabric. When I got the mister, he said use the fabric, so I'll just have to go back to Walmart and get more fabric, and once I get more, I'll tell you guys how much it end up costing me. I'll tell y'all at the end how much everything costs. But we're about to use this fabric. We're gonna cut it and hang it, and yeah, let's see how this works. Okay, so what I just realized was it goes all the way down. now, so I don't have to actually go get extra fabric. Yay. Okay, so you see right here where it's black and black, black meets black, I'm gonna actually fold this part and put it on the white, or either just turn it upside down. No, it's got writing right here, so I can't turn it upside down. You guys see the writing right here? So I can't turn it upside down. So what I'm just gonna do is actually fold the black part to get to the white and do it that way. See, it's the white now, then it'll be just like this now, the black and white, just like that. So let me get this hung up. Over here, and I'm just going to take, you see the extra fabric? I don't think y'all can see the extra fabric. This is the extra fabric. I'm going to actually take it and tuck it behind the shelf, like I did this piece up here. I tucked it behind the shelf. So just literally take this scissors and tuck it. Okay guys, it's up. It's got a couple spots on here. I probably should have washed it before I actually did it, but it's up there now, so it really don't matter. But next we are actually going to put either these picture frames up once I paint them gold, or let's see, these two, which I think are entirely too small. Now that I'm looking at it, they are entirely too small. So it would actually be these two. So I'm gonna go downstairs, paint these gold, and I shall be back. So you guys, this is the finish of the wall, and I love it. Just imagine me sitting in front of it. I'm shaking, y'all, my bad. I would show y'all the inspiration, what made me wanted to do this wall. And normally I have a candle here or something sitting right there. I'm gonna actually put something right there as well. But I like it. The little cheap Dollar Tree DIY turned out pretty cute. I kind of glued those together with hot glue. And then the royalty roots I already had. I ordered off of Etsy. Those little paper flowers, I actually ordered those off of Etsy a while ago as well. And then y'all know the fabric came from, I'm just shaking, my bad y'all, from Walmart, my bad, just shaking. But the only thing I have a problem with is the bottom. I don't think y'all can see it, but it's not like flat like the top. I kind of stretched it. I stretched it so it won't have the little lumps at the bottom like that, but I couldn't stretch it over here, of course, because we have the shelf. So kind of had to let it drape, and I tried to pull it as much as possible to make it go over there and fold it up and stuff, but you guys, kind of didn't work. But hopefully you can't see that in the actual backdrop when I'm recording, but this is what we got. So let me turn you guys around. So I gotta get out of here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs this video up if this is your first time watching. Hey girl, hey. We would love for you to stay, hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell right next to it, and I'll see you guys on the next video.